Tools of e-assessment. Infographics as a tool of e-assessment. Let us try and understand what are infographics. Infographics is a tool which is used to graphically represent information, data and knowledge in a very crisp, concise manner. There are elements of text, image, chart, diagrams and videos which can be combined as per requirement to create an infographic. This makes an infographic an extremely effective tool to present data in a simplified manner and to explain complex issues in a way to give a better insight as well as understanding of the content. When and where can infographics be applied? When you want the learners to make a very crisp visual representation of the knowledge, or when you want learners to explain difficult concepts in a very simplified manner, when the learners are required to retain important ideas but without getting bogged down by them in a very fun and interesting way, and especially when you want learners to compare and contrast ideas or multiple options. What will be the criteria that a teacher will use when she wants to assess students' infographics? What exactly are you looking for in the learner's infographic? Number one has to be data. It is all the information that has been presented in that infographic. In how simplified a manner has the data been presented? Then, what is the reason for creating the infographic? So, the purpose of representation of that data has to be conveyed through the infographic. How is the flow of that data? Is the data arranged and connected in such a way that as soon as your eye is moved over the data, you immediately grasp the idea behind the infographic? The color combinations, how are they? Is it creating a visually appealing effect, or are they very garish, and instead of drawing attention to the content, your focus is only on the colors? What are the fonts of the text? Is it easy to read? Does it complement the different images that have been used? And no language errors. The graphics, it could be in the form of diagrams, images, charts, statistics, that is graphs. They should be appropriately chosen to represent data and to support the content. Finally, the aesthetics of the infographic, the overall effect that the infographic has when you look at it. It should be visually engaging and appealing.